All right, bros, you're going to be super proud of me. So, I wired my first circuit with a switch, and I had this little battery pack from a STEM conference I went to for teaching over the summer in San Francisco, and I had this little motor from that, and I was able to sort of, in previous times, connect these two wires directly to the motor, and obviously it operated the motor, but that was even cool to me, that I could do that. And so I found this switch being given away on the side of the road while I was riding my bike this morning. And so I grabbed it because I wanted to try it out, and I grabbed this orange wire from a smoke alarm that I didn't need it for the smoke alarm, so I'd saved it and I didn't know what I would use it for. But and then I got these little alligator clips from. We had used this for our wedding, like to hold like menu things, like with these little alligator clips and say like baked beans or whatever. So I was like, okay, so I've got those. So I grabbed those and I connected my hot wire to the switch, and then continued a wire to the motor, and then my, I guess, negative wire to complete the circuit. And I got my motor to run. Woohoo! So my next challenge is to try to take this outlet, which I got from the side of the road, because people were, I guess, redoing their outlets or whatever. And so I took the outlet, and I want to get this light to go, but I'm just not sure if the battery pack is going to provide enough power to make the light go. And so I want to try to make the light work and use the switch to make the light work in an AC outlet. So I'm not sure how this will all work, but it's what I'm trying. Anyway, figured you guys would be proud of me, and maybe you could give me some more fun things to try with electricity. All right. Love you guys. Show me your current projects. Okay, bye.